afternoon. This 1970 Cuda 446 barrel 4-speed, which has been converted to a Silver Sport 6-speed, is actually a tribute car. So this car started life as a Grand Coupe, a lemon twist yellow 1970 Barracuda Grand Coupe 318 automatic on the floor. We have converted it to appear as a real V-code 70 Cuda 440, well, 4-speed, like I say, but it has a 6-speed in it. This car was done exactly the way you would do a real V-code car. Let's take a look under the hood. So that's the point behind the Graveyard Dreams cars, is you ask for it, we build it exactly the way you want. So this is a Graveyard Dreams build car. You can see it's got the correct replica shaker on it with the cold air doors. All of the detailing, date-coded spark plug wires, date-coded, well, correct heater hoses and upper and lower radiator hoses. Correct fan shroud, 2998 956 radiator. Power disc brakes. The little master cylinder you see on the side is for the hydraulic clutch for the Silver Sport 6-speed transmission. What do you say we get inside here and fire it up? We put a comp cam mother humper in this car. Right now we're putting the stereo in it. Factory AM radio, but it's been converted by our friends at Instrument Specialties to be an MP3 style. And in the world of shaking, this car definitely shakes. And move to the back. This is a beautiful car. Limelight. They opted for the rear spoiler look, the hockey stick, Kragers, BF Goodrich. Let's take a listen to this camshaft. That is a beautiful sound. So it's simple. All you do is email me and say, I want a 70 Cuda like that, or I want a 70 Challenger with a 6-pack and a 4-speed, or I want a 70 Roadrunner convertible. We take the order, we build your car for you. Now, it won't be a numbers matching car. It'll be a tribute to what would be correct, but it would be an accurate tribute. There you go, folks. Shaking and baking. 1970 Cuda 446 barrel. Shaker hood. The way they're supposed to be done.